Hey guys, podcast. Question, spinning flag.
Oh. Uh-oh, she's stalking a small child. Videoing this. Taking the side route. They need to feed this. They need to feed this tiger.
Because you're not looking at, don't look. Because you're not looking at, she's actually stalking you right now.
Oh my God, really? That's awesome.
Besides my videos that I've done here of her jumping onto the thing with me, you can go online and see all the videos too of people turning their backs to tigers, and that is when they pounce.
Yeah, I heard about that. She's not gonna hit them.
Right now.
There. Whoa! Oh my God! Oh my God!